We guide you through how to check your Zelle limit in just a few taps. So the first thing you need to do is to open your mobile banking app or the Zelle app linked to your bank account, then log in securely using your credentials or biometrics. Once you're inside, go to the Send Money with Zelle or Zelle Settings section, depending on your bank's layout. Next, look for the option like Limits, Daily Limits, or Transfer Limit because each bank shows this differently. Tap on it, and you will immediately see daily, weekly, or monthly sending limits, as well as any receiving restrictions tied to your account type. If you don't see it right away, check under Account Settings or Transfer Settings because some banks hide it there. You can also confirm your exact limit by selecting Help or using the search bar inside the app and typing Zelle limit.